Welcome to College Nepal.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine. So, how would you like to be known as the most beautiful women of Nepal?
I appreciate that people really like me as a person. I don't term myself like most beautiful girl of Nepal, but I really appreciate how people love me as an individual.
I watched all those survey which has been done by YouTube channels and all about you, like you're the most beautiful, cutest, and all. They have given you a tagline.
Yeah, like I feel happy when I get to see all those videos from my well-wishers.
Okay, what about like beauty for you?
For me, being beautiful is being beautiful inside and out because मलाई चाहिँ लाग्छ outer appearance ले मात्रै होइन कि भित्र पनि like मनबाट पनि you have to be a nice person.
Actually, how you came into like you enroll into modeling industry? How you came this way, this long way?
Modeling चाहिँ I really wanted to be a model when I was probably 15 or 16 होइन अनि I used to collect teens magazine. Teens भनेको चाहिँ ECS नेपालको one of the magazines हो अनि I didn't plan to get into modeling. मेरो one of my brother's friends, she approached me for a photo shoot and I asked Mamu like Mamu can I भनेर and she said okay why not. So she took me to the ECS office and then we did a shoot. And त्यसपछि चाहिँ बिस्तारै बिस्तारै people started approaching me for magazines, for shooting for the products, and then that's how I started my career.
तपाईँको चाहिँ I've got different background, like your mother academic wayबाट strong हुनुहुन्छ, your father is, we have heard that he's from military. How difficult or easy was to convince them?
Since my mother, she's been teaching for the past 20 years now, and my dad was in military. My parents, because I'm a single child, we have this strong bond. We're more like friends, and I can share anything with my parents.
Starting कहिलेबाट भयो like यहाँले अलिकति भन्नुभएको छ you went somewhere to talk about like I want to be a model, I want to take my photographs and all. कसरी सुरु भयो exactly चाहिँ?
I was with one of my cousin, मेरो दाइसँग म hang out गरिरहेको थिएँ अनि उहाँले चाहिँ आफ्नो फ्रेन्ड्सहरूलाई पनि बोलाउनु भएको रहेछ. सो उहाँको एकजना मिल्ने साथी चाहिँ सृष्टि दिदी भन्ने हो उहाँ चाहिँ. So I give all my credit to Shrishti Didi.
How was your first show? How it happened?
My first show was, I think, back in 2013 for House of Fashion. I participated in this competition called Face of House of Fashion.
We want to know more about this, man. How it all went through. How your friend reacted you at the time?
So, paila चाहिँ when I used to get featured in cover magazines or inside the magazines, my friends would be so excited. They would get a copy for themselves. Even all of my relatives, होइन अनि सबैजनाले हेर्ने पिक्चर्सहरू अनि अरूहरूलाई पनि भन्ने. अब चाहिँ now my friends tell me like we're so used to it. You come in newspapers every time. So उनीहरूलाई बानी भइसक्यो कि अहिले त like ल आएको रहेछ जस्तो हुन्छ भनेर भन्छ. तर पहिला चाहिँ सबैजना कस्तो एक्साइटेड हुन्थ्यो. म पनि कस्तो एक्साइटेड हुन्थेँ अनि म स्टेसनरीमा गएर किन्थेँ आफू फिचर भएको म्यागजिन्सहरूमा. सो या आई मिस दोज डेज.
Do you remember बाटोमा हिँड्दाखेरि फर्स्ट टाइम नोटिस गरेको सिज नीति शाह भन्ने हिसाबको चाहिँ लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम तपाईँलाई कहिले रियलाइज भएको थियो? नाउ द पिपल दे आर गेटिङ मी.
म क्लास 10 मा हुँदाखेरि हामी सेन्टअप दिएर फर्किरहेको थियो होइन अनि then that was the first time when a bike passed by and then they were like Nitisha and that was the first time I heard my name and my friend was like तँलाई त सबैले चिन्न थालिसक्यो आजकल. So yeah, that was my first experience.
What kind of student you were in school and college? +2.
We were quite extrovert. टिचर्सहरूसँग गएर बोल्ने अनि केही भएन भने चित्त बुझेन भने टिचर्सलाई गएर भन्ने.
Study कस्तो थियो?
Studies पनि it was average.
At the time also you fixed like I want to be a model कि you have got different dreams at the time.
मोडल हुन्छु भन्ने चाहिँ थिएन क्लास 10 सम्म. लाइक 10 पछि त्यो SLC सकिएपछि चाहिँ त्यो इन्ट्रेस्ट आउन थालेको.
So how is your friend circle in bachelors?
मेरो चाहिँ फ्रेन्ड सर्कल I'm very blessed blessed to have really good friends in my life. स्कुलदेखि नै I studied from kindergarten to 10. मेरो सबै साथीको सर्कल एउटै भयो अनि त्यही साथीको सर्कलहरू 11-12 मा पनि हामी सँगै पढ्यो. I really appreciate how my friends stick to me in my highs and lows.
So how are you managing your time? Like तपाईँ चाहिँ दिनभरि you are so much busy यताउता अब यहाँको जुन सोजहरू भइरहेको हुन्छ अब त्यसपछि पढाइ पनि सँगसँगै गइरहेको छ बिहान तपाईँ पढ्नु पनि हुन्छ रेगुलर गइराख्नु भएको छ कलेज कसरी म्यानेज गर्नुहुन्छ टाइमलाई चाहिँ
My friends tell me I'm very work oriented. अरूलाई टाइम दिँदैन काम भनेपछि भागिहाल्छ होइन. I feel like अब म because I'm in bachelor's अहिले बल्ल ब्यालेन्स गर्न सिकिरहेको छु because पहिला चाहिँ अलिकति गाह्रै हुन्थ्यो.
How is modeling industry treating you? किनकि being a woman नेपालमा चाहिँ अब अलिकति अप्ठ्यारो पनि छ भन्छन् तपाईँलाई चाहिँ कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ र यो वातावरणले कसरी सपोर्ट गरिरहेको छ How are you taking this all?
फिमेललाई मोडलिङ इन्डस्ट्रीमा आई थिङ्क मान्छे अडियन्सहरूले चाहिँ फिमेललाई अझै झनै प्रायोरिटी दिन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ है मोडलिङ इन्डस्ट्रीमा कम्पेरिटिभली र मान्छेहरूको आफ्नै पर्सेप्सन हुन्छ फ्यु पिपल माइट नट लाइक वुमेन अर गर्ल्स गेटिङ इन्टु मोडलिङ लाइक कतिजना पेरेन्ट्सहरूले चाहिँ अब आफ्नो छोरी मोडलिङ गरेको मन पराउँदैन तर देयर आर नेगेटिभ साइड्स अफ मोडलिङ एज वेल देयर आर पोजिटिभ साइड्स अफ मोडलिङ एज वेल एन्ड आई थिङ्क यो अहिले हाम्रो जेनेरेसनमा आएर चाहिँ पिपल हेभ स्टार्टेड टेकिङ मोडलिङ इन अ डिफ्रेन्ट वे लाइक पहिला जसरी मोडलिङ राम्रो छैन मोडलिङ गर्नु भनेको इट्स अल अबाउट वेयरिङ सर्ट क्लोथ्स इट्स नथिङ लाइक द्याट अहिले चाहिँ मान्छेहरूले मोडलिङ भनेर सोच्दाखेरि they think in a different level and I think people have started appreciating models.
How you handle criticism?
I always take criticism in a positive way. Like if someone tells me I'm not doing good at this, then I take it in a good way. I try to accept my flaws and try to become a better person. Try to improve what I'm not good at. So I always take criticism in a good way.
अब मान्छेहरू भन्छन् कि लाइक अलि अब एकदमै पावरफुल छ राम्री हुनुहुन्छ त्यसपछि अब सक्सेसफुल हुनुहुन्छ आफ्नो लेभलमा भन्दाखेरि काइन्ड अफ एरोगेन्स आउँछ भन्छन् तपाईँले त्यो एरोगेन्सलाई चाहिँ सम हाउ नदेखाउनको लागि चाहिँ हाउ यु जस्ट डुइङ इट
मलाई चाहिँ मेरो फेभरेट कोट भनेको चाहिँ देयर्स ब्युटी इन सिम्प्लिसिटी भन्ने मेरो फेभरेट वान अफ माई फेभरेट कोट होइन अनि बिङ हम्बल बिङ सिम्पल इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी यु क्यान ह्याभ अनि अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ मान्छेहरू whoever have interacted with me they've always told me I'm really simple, I'm very down to earth and I'm very casual with people so I don't find myself arrogant like मान्छेहरूले सोध्छ होला because I do reject most of the projects होइन अनि त्यति बेलामा चाहिँ सायद मान्छेहरूलाई लाग्न सक्छ अलि arrogant छ but then it's not like that it's just that मलाई चाहिँ म एकदम लिमिटेड प्रोजेक्ट्सहरू गर्न खोज्छु र त्यति बेलामा चाहिँ सायद मान्छेले मलाई arrogant भन्न सक्छ but when they meet me in person I don't think after that they'll call me arrogant.
जस्तो कि अब नेपाली इन्डस्ट्रीमा चाहिँ धेरैवटा अब बिग ब्यानर्सहरूले चाहिँ एप्रोच गरेको हामीले सुन्नमा आएका छौँ बट वी हेभ हर्ड सो मेनी टाइम्स कि रिजेक्टिङ दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स एन्ड अल एकदमै धेरै उपिङ एमाउन्ट दिँदा पनि यु आर सेइङ नो डोन्ट हेभ इन्ट्रेस्ट इन एक्टिङ
Actually, well, I've been getting a lot of movie offers. I won't deny the fact that I haven't. But it's just that मान्छेको आफ्नै इन्ट्रेस्ट हुन्छ र म मोडलिङमा त मेरो इन्ट्रेस्ट छ र म अहिले राम्रै गरिरहेको छु मोडलिङमा बट I believe that just being pretty, just being in limelight doesn't mean you have to get into acting. अब मेरो इन्ट्रेस्ट भएको भए म गरिसक्थेँ होला but it's just that I have different plans and अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ I don't have plans to get into movie.
Politics मा कतिको इन्ट्रेस्ट छ? Are you updating all केही यहाँलाई चाहिँ थाहा हुन्छ न्युजहरू हेर्ने गर्नुहुन्छ?
म चाहिँ मलाई त्यो डेप्थमा चाहिँ पोलिटिक्स मलाई त्यो I'm not खासै इन्ट्रेस्टेड but I do like reading news अप टु डेट चाहिँ भइरहेको हुन्छु तर पोलिटिक्समा चाहिँ त्यस्तो हार्ड कोर आइ एम नट रियली इन्टु इट
तपाईँ जस्तै धेरैजना अब जो यङ्स्टर हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरू चाहिँ इन्ट्रेस्ट एकदम राख्नुहुन्छ मोडलिङमा र उहाँहरू आउने क्रममा नै हुनुहुन्छ कतिले सोच्नु भएको छ होला के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ
सो मोडलिङ भनेको इज नट जस्ट फर फेम or let's say to become famous, but then in a way it helps you grow as a person, as an individual. It helps you build your confidence and become a person you want to be. So modeling industry ma chhirnu agadi चाहिँ you have to be very clear कि where you want to reach र एकदम सेलेक्टिभ हुनुपर्छ कति ठाउँमा मान्छेहरूलाई डिल गर्नुपर्छ हैन सो you have to be really strong and be very smart to decide what is good for you and what is bad for you.
Okay, Niti, now we are going to ask you a very fast question. छिटो सोध्नु गइरहेका छौँ. You have to give one line answer. Favorite color?
Orange, red, cream color, pink.
Favorite actor, male, female? Collywood, Bollywood and Hollywood.
Hollywood is Brad Pitt. Bollywood ma I like Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan both. Collywood but say Ayushmann and Anmol.
Female now.
Female Hollywood but Jennifer Aniston. Bollywood but I like Alia Bhatt. Nepali चाहिँ Paramita अनि Anna.
Favorite singer?
Favorite singer Ed Sheeran, Coldplay.
Favorite books?
One of my favorite book is Lean In by Sheryl Sandberg. It's written about women empowerment, how women are treated in workplace. So I really loved that book.
I was single. Means many people they really want to know.
I'm single. There's no one.
So best compliment you have received till now?
One of my friend, she told me that Niti, you're really beautiful inside and out, and that really touched my heart.
So we're almost at the end. I want to ask you, what is modeling for you?
Modeling for me is a platform where I have built myself. And modeling भन्दा फेरि चाहिँ मलाई रमाइलो लाग्छ कि like it has become a part of my daily life. I get good projects, I endorse the projects. मलाई मान्छेहरू यहीँबाट चिनिरहेछ. I'm being able to learn so many things हैन.
What do you want to say after 10 years? Okay, not 10 years, 5 years.
I have my own plans, so I'm planning to work for a year and then I'll be heading for my master's. In 5 years, I want to see myself as a successful entrepreneur, a strong lady, and of course, a happy person who's satisfied with her life.
Niti, I find you a very beautiful person from inside also, and very strong, self-guided. We want to wish you a very fruitful and happy, successful career. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.